안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia. Today I want to start a series of one pot or one pan meal. And the first one that I want to introduce to you is japchae. Japchae is typically served as a side dish in Korea, or also it's be served on a bed of rice. But I want to suggest this recipe as a meal. Japchae seems easy, but it's a bit tricky to make well. I'm going to show you how to make it. Soak the japchae noodles in lukewarm water along with the shiitake mushroom for about 20 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we want to prepare the vegetables. Thinly slice the onion. Finely julienne the carrot. This is a big spinach. Take the root and cut it into 2-inch size lengths. Mince the garlic. The beef is slightly frozen and it will be easier to slice. Cut the meat at last to prevent cross-contamination. The ingredients are the same as the traditional japchae, but the cooking process is different. The mushroom is rehydrated now. Squeeze out the excess water and thinly slice. The stems of the mushroom are tough, so we're not going to use them today. Heat a large pan over medium heat and add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Place the onion and the carrot first in the hot pan and stir fry for about 1 minute. Season it with salt. Add the beef to the pan and the mushroom. Season it with some soy sauce, minced garlic, and dark brown sugar. Quickly stir fry them and add some ground black pepper to it. Okay, now you want to add the noodles to the pan. You don't need to drain water completely. I like to just grab the noodles from the water and directly add to the pan. Add the soy sauce, the dark brown sugar, and give them a nice toss. Stir fry until the noodles turn clear or cooked. Then add the spinach and cook or mix until they're fully cooked. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water if it's too dry at this point. You'll need to be careful not to overcook your japchae. Turn off the heat and drizzle sesame oil. Give it a taste and finish with some salt if needed. This cooking method is perfect when you're cooking small portions. Today's recipe is for one person. Japchae includes lots of vegetables. It has protein, which is meat, and the noodles. It's actually a perfect meal that can be made within 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.